$25 an hour just by using my smartphone? Is this a joke? No, it's not. This is a Cash App that pays you real money into your PayPal account every time you are on your smartphone, just for doing the things you're already doing, like hanging out on Facebook, Instagram, watching videos, shopping, surfing the web. All of this you can get paid for with one app. Are you a teenager that spends way too much time on your phone? Do your parents give you crap about that? They say, hey, get off the phone, go get a job. Well, now you can say, my new job is playing video games on this phone, so step off, I'm getting paid. If you're taking public transportation, now you can get paid. If you're sitting at the airport, now you can get paid. Fish aren't biting today? Get paid. Parents, here's a pro tip for you. Put this app on your kid's phone and say, play all the damn video games you want and make daddy some money. Just think about how much time you actually spend on your phone every day. Actually, if you were to time your phone use, how much time you're on your phone throughout the day, I'll bet you it's a lot more than you actually realized. Most people are on their phones at least 3 hours out of the day. Are you watching this video on your phone right now? If you are, subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Do it right now, and then I'm going to tell you a secret. Did you do it? You could have got paid for that. Yep, see this here? You get paid to engage in social media. So if you like a Facebook post, if you like a YouTube video, if you subscribe to my channel, that's all stuff that you can get paid for. You can also play games. You can fill out these surveys, which only take 30 seconds, and they each pay $2. Get paid to do all your online shopping through this app. You can also watch 30-second videos, all based on your interests. And pro tip on this one, you can double the playback speed. So those only take 15 seconds. Get paid. Oh, by the way, at the end of the video, I'll give you another little pro tip that's gonna double your earnings on this app. So stay till the end. Get paid every time you're on the internet browsing websites. Get paid to leave comments on TikTok videos, on YouTube videos. In fact, leave a comment on this one right now. Just put whatever, I don't care. So comment on social media. You can also, and this is kind of a strange one, but it does pay 75 cents every time you do it. Just subscribe to various newsletters. Pretty simple. And if you don't want to do any of this from your phone, you can also do it from your computer or your tablet. Every time your account hits $25, they just slide that right into your PayPal account. And this is available worldwide. It is available in your country. I don't care where it is. If there's an internet connection there, this is available. You just download it from the App Store or from Google Play, and now when you're waiting at the doctor's office, you can get paid. Get paid while you're sitting on the toilet. Oh, and here's another pro tip for you. When you're sitting in traffic in your car, just throw the videos on and put the phone aside, let it run, get paid. So basically, as long as this app is running in any respect, you're getting paid, you're racking up dollars. And to get started, it's very simple. Sign up with your Google account or your Microsoft account, or sign up with an email and a password. If this is not the most simple registration process you've ever seen, I don't know what is. So the app's called Zeraclami. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm wrong, sue me. Zeraclami.com, just go there. Quickly sign up and start earning on your phone or your tablet or your computer from anywhere. So now you've got the app downloaded on your phone. Are you ready for more pro tips on how to milk this app for everything it's worth? We're gonna squeeze every last dime out of it. Are you ready? If you are, hit the like button. Okay, here we go. I'm actually on my computer because it's going to be easier to show you how we're gonna work this from my computer. But if you go down to earn here, when you sign up for Zeraclami, you'll see all the different ways, all the different tasks you can complete to earn money. And we're just gonna focus on a couple. Like number one, the easiest one I'm gonna tell you right now is to leave engagements on social media. So if you click on this, you can subscribe to YouTube channels like you just subscribed to mine, right? Subscribe to Online Moneymaker and give it a like. Instagram likes, Facebook page likes are pretty simple. You're gonna get paid 2 cents for every one you like, and they literally take a second. You click on that, quick page will come up, you like it, close it, boom. Okay, TikTok, Twitter, all these, basically every social media platform you can think of. If you just engage with it, give it a like, you're gonna get paid. And a lot of these you can only do through the app on your phone, like play games, okay? So if I click on play games from my computer, you'll see that it says this monetization method is only available on iOS or Android mobile devices. So earlier in the video, if you were paying attention, I gave you a quick little pro tip. If you've got a kid and they've got their own smartphone and they like to play games, download this app onto their phone and let them play games while you make the money. I mean, it couldn't be easier than that. Watching videos down here at the bottom, this is also only available through your iOS or Android device. Again, earlier in the video, I told you this is another easy one, especially if you're like sitting in traffic. What you do is you just open up the app, you start playing the first video, you put your phone aside because you shouldn't be looking at your phone while you're driving, and those videos, when the first one finishes, the next one will just start up and you're just making free money while you're sitting there in traffic, singing to yourself, flipping everybody the bird, because you're getting paid. The easiest way to make the most money through this is through their referral program. Now, I'm sure you've watched videos before. When they get to the end, they say, okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna jump into the referral program, okay? It's not about the referral program, it's about where you put the link, how many people you get it in front of, okay? So don't worry, I'm gonna show you two great places to place this referral link where you're going to get it in front of millions of people who absolutely want to make money from their phone, okay? But look at this. It's very generous. You get $5 off the bat for anybody that signs up through your link, okay? And after that, you're going to get 12% of whatever they make for life, okay? It doesn't get better than that as far as referral programs go with these websites. So pay attention. Okay, come down to where it says referral program. Let's get our link, okay? Just hit referral program here. Now we've got this long, ugly link. We want to copy that, okay? And we want to shorten it to something a little more presentable. So go to bit.ly.com, bitly.com. This is free. Let me just get rid of this thing here. Just come down about the middle, paste your link right there, paste it, and hit shorten, and that looks a lot more presentable. So copy that and save it in a folder. Okay, the first place we're gonna put this is on YouTube, and you don't need a YouTube channel for this. So if I go to YouTube, oh, I see the video I did yesterday, earn free Bitcoin every 10 seconds. Check that one out, it actually works. It's only 3 minutes long. Get your free Bitcoin. Anyway, go to YouTube, and what we're gonna type in the search bar is make money from your phone, okay? Because that's what we're doing here, make money from your phone. And let's see what comes up. I'm sure a ton of them will come up. And we're just gonna look, okay, see this one right here? This one already has 250,000 views. So let's click on this one right here. And we don't have to watch it. Just pause it when it starts playing because we're not really here for the video. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come down to the comments, okay? And I'm gonna do this one time. I'm gonna let you guys take the reins on this. You can go through all the other videos that have to do with apps that make you money on your phone, so on and so forth. So what you wanna do here is when you comment, just all caps, just say this app makes me money on my phone. You know, something like that. Makes me tons of money on my phone. Okay, maybe throw a couple of these in there and then paste your link right there. See that? And then comment. Now that one is in the YouTube universe. So I hit this first video with my own link, but you go ahead and just put your link in that one too if you want to. But your job is to go through all these and do the same thing on all these. It won't take you very long, and trust me, there's tons of them. You could spend all day doing this and you might make $1,000 in one day if you just go through all these ones that have to do with money making apps, make money from your phone, so on and so forth. Trust me, this works. I do this all the time with all kinds of different links. The next place we're gonna put it is on Facebook, and let me tell you what I do. This is my Facebook page, but it's not. I have another personal Facebook page. I set this one up solely so I can put affiliate links on it, okay? So if you want to use your own Facebook page, go ahead. If not, just go to Gmail, get a new Gmail account, sign up through a new Facebook account through that. It's easy, you don't need any friends. But then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to groups. And see, I'm gonna prove this right here. You can see all the money-making online groups I have joined. Okay, you just join them, that's it. See, I've got tons of them. There's all these here. And this is what you're gonna use for all your affiliate links, okay? So if I just click on the first one right here, okay, and you can make public posts on these, okay? So see, I'll just do it again, public posts. Like, this app makes me tons of money. This app makes me, you get it, makes me tons of money. Me, fuck it, I'll put me, tons of money, okay? Exclamation point. You want to make it, it's important to put a comment before the link, okay? Don't just put the link, put the comment before the link. You got to have something that's going to grab the attention, okay? And just hit the link right there and paste, and there we go, okay? And let's see if this populates actually. Oh, look, it does. Perfect. That's what I love about Facebook. When you post a link like that on there, it'll populate it with the picture there. Makes it even more attractive to the eye. And we can see it right there. Look at that. See, this shit works. So, subscribe to Online Moneymaker. I hope this has been valuable to you. Like the video. Leave a comment. Tell me I'm an asshole. Who cares? Have a great day, everybody.